$2,500 worth of equipment right here. And why do I have it? Well, because it's absolutely great. This is the Canon RF70-200 Series L, which you can see from the red circle around it. This is the professional series camera lenses from Canon, and it is a 2.8 aperture. And why do I like it? Well, being a 2.8 aperture, it works really, really good in low lighting conditions, way better than a F4, for example. And this one really pushes to the tele-zoom side of things. It is not for landscapes. It starts off with beautiful, beautiful bokeh and beautiful, also portrait, going towards the 70-80 millimeters, all the way up to a 200 millimeters, which then becomes the telephoto, and it is right here. So it is absolutely amazing. And we can see here also in terms of the size, it goes just like this. So it opens up and it gets bigger. And this Canon RF, the Series L, it is absolutely gorgeous, and I really, really like it. So it is made for everybody out there who wants, starting from portrait with great lighting, that's what 2.8, all the way to telezoom and, subject far away. It is compact, it is nice. Price per quality, I would say that is absolutely gorgeous. Really like it, really useful. Of course, works with the Canon, and it is one of my favorites.